Hey there, kids. Welcome to Happy Kiddo. Let's begin today's video.
Leo was bored one rainy afternoon. Grandma had an old dusty attic, a treasure trove of forgotten things. He found a faded cardboard box labeled 80s Toys. Inside, a colorful Rubik's Cube, a grumpy-looking Cabbage Patch Kid, and a brave action figure named Captain Comet. Soonly, Captain Comet blinked. The toys were alive. "Hello, Leo," chirped the Cabbage Patch Kid. Captain Comet, however, was a bit too brave. He started launching tiny plastic missiles, scattering game pieces everywhere. "Chaos is fun," he declared, giggling. Leo knew he had to restore order before Grandma came up for her knitting yarn. He gently explained to Captain Comet that true bravery was about teamwork. With a little patience, Leo helped Captain Comet organize the scattered pieces. The toys learned that playing together was much better than making a mess. Leo smiled, feeling a warm connection to his new old friends. He promised to visit them often, understanding that even forgotten toys hold magic and teach us about friendship.
Thanks for watching. See you next time. Do not forget to give this video a like and to subscribe to the channel so you will be notified when new videos are published. And be sure to check out our other videos.